France this month marked the third anniversary of the Paris terror attacks that killed 130 people. In response, the government imposed a 2-year state of emergency, which was replaced in 2017 by a new anti-terror law known as SILT, strengthening internal security and the fight against terrorism. Amnesty International says the new law gives the state wide-ranging powers with little oversight.
Control orders allow the government to effectively control an individual's movement completely outside of the criminal justice system. So without charge, without giving them the benefit of a trial. So they control an individual's movement by, for example, banning them from leaving a specific town, by requiring them to report to the police, by banning them from coming into contact with certain individuals.
France has suffered several large-scale terror incidents in recent years, from the shootings at the offices of the magazine Charlie Hebdo to the November 2015 attacks and the 2016 Bastille Day truck attack in Nice, resulting in the deaths of 87 people. The government insists the nature and scale of the threat means exceptional measures are needed to monitor suspects and prevent possible attacks. Elsewhere in Europe, several countries are following suit.
The Dutch Parliament passed a law which embeds many of the same powers we see in France in the Dutch context. We saw the German Federal Police expand their powers also. We have right now actually in the Swiss Federal Parliament a law going through the Parliament which would see potentially dangerous individuals, that's how they're defined, subject to quite severe restrictions as well.
Amnesty says it recognises that states must enact laws to protect against terrorism, but argues they should still operate under existing fundamental principles of justice and human rights. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.